Working from anywhere means needing access to your commission data everywhere. That's exactly where Spiff's mobile support steps in, turning your phone into your personal, on-the-go commission command center. It's all about real-time visibility and true transparency, no matter where your day takes you. Spiff's mobile app puts your entire commission statement in your pocket. You don't have to wait for month-end reports or chase down a spreadsheet. The data is live, instantly updated as deals close or new data flows in from your CRM. What does that mean for you? You can check your progress against your quota right after a client meeting, see how a newly closed deal impacts your payout, or track your commission trends over the period, all from your mobile device. This immediate access keeps you motivated and focused, because you always know exactly where you stand and what's driving your earnings. The Spiff mobile experience is designed for ease. Key features like the commission estimator can be pulled up quickly, allowing you to model potential earnings on the spot based on different deal scenarios. Need to know the commission impact of a specific deal? You can drill down to the deal-level details and see the clear calculation logic behind every single payout. No more guessing games. For managers, the mobile access is equally powerful. You can view your team's overall performance, see who is on track for accelerators, and even approve commission statements with a tap, streamlining the entire payout process, even when you're away from your desk. Spiff makes commission tracking an intuitive part of your workflow, not a separate, painful administrative task. By putting real-time, transparent commission data at your fingertips, Spiff ensures you can stay focused on selling, stay informed, and ultimately, stay motivated to drive better results. That is the power of true mobile commission management.